Hi, Justin. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee, Amber, and said that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so you can start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand a lot of the struggles contractors face, as well as I understand business owners reach a point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have that free time to just sit in front of a computer all day and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the business to them. And we found the biggest thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing which one's going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we really believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's been a lot of owners who still reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver you good results, then give us a call just to chat. If you want to take the information and pass it along to your marketing team or make the changes yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 3 quick points: content, citations, and backlinks. I'm on your homepage here. I think it's great that you guys have the different service numbers listed out. I recommend making them click to call. A lot of people that are working on their phones, it makes it just a lot simpler for you to get that call right away. So that's just one quick recommendation. The appearance of the site looks great though. Now, unfortunately, Google isn't ranking you based on the appearance of your site. Google is using bots called crawlers that scan all the content within the site to find the keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. Appearance is just for those customers. Now, it's recommended you put at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content. Having your site built out this way will actually do 2 things. It will show Google you're an expert in the industry, not a spam site, and it will have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. An example of a keyword is roofers, Dayton, Ohio. I know you have different service areas, so the opportunity for you guys to really dominate your market is pretty much tenfold because of the different services you do and the different areas you have. So roofers, Dayton, Ohio is getting searched 480 times a month. When customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this map pack or Google My Business. To get this optimized, you're going to want to add one for each location you service. You want to have addresses for each because they are geographically based. But once you have all your contact information, your photos, and your website, then you need to get citations. Citations are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, and you want your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors, and that'll start ranking you in the top 3 for each service area, and that's where customers like to call the most. Now down here is the organic search results. Now the top few sites actually get rotated by Google for the first position, but these are online directories. Your top competitor for Dayton, Ohio is actually Van Martin, which is dominating the map pack right here. So I'll be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. Over here we can see all the content that they put on their site and why that 1,500-500 rule of thumb is really going to help us beat them. For the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. This is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. Now your homepage has a ranking of 6. Your domain ranking for the entire website is an 11. These numbers are out of 0 to 100 from all other websites on the internet. So the ranking is made by the backlinks. A backlink is just when another site online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. Google uses this to be competitive, so you want to be careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you're linking to a site, you want to be sure that it's high ranking and relevant to your industry. You have 84 links coming from 19 sites currently, and I wanted to show you some of these sites you're linking to. That one's a roofing one, that one's good, but some of these aren't really giving you any traffic. You can see that there's no follows, that you're not getting traffic from any of those sites. These are a lot of spam sites, so you want to be cautious having too many spam backlinks on your site because Google can recognize you as spam because of that. We don't want spam by association. Right now you have 147 keywords, and all of this is giving you 26 traffic a month. If we take a look at your competitor at Van Martin, we're going to see they have a stronger site. So we have our work cut out for us because we would want to help you dominate each market. So we would find the top competitors like Van Martin for all the service areas you cover and scour through their 1,300 plus backlinks to find the highest quality and highest ranking ones that would do the most authority putting them onto your site. Then we're going to hunt down backlinks your competitors in all locations aren't using that are high ranking, just to make sure that we can put them on your site and have you dominating the market in all service areas. Now, for Van Martin, their links are coming from 258 sites. They have 796 keywords, and all of this is giving them 320 traffic each month. So think about that. If this is just one city that you're covering, you guys could be bringing in over 900,000 plus different traffic each month of people clicking to your site. Even if half of these ones are filling out the form or giving Van Martin a call, they're still getting over 100 roof opportunities in 1 month. So I'm hoping you guys see the potential because you have so many different services you offer, and having 3 major cities is really going to help. Quick recap, for Google's language, you'll want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb, 100 words for every keyword. Get your information into as many online directories as you can, and you want to go get your high quality backlinks that are relevant to your industry. If you do these 3 steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information, but as I said, you can take it, apply it yourself, give it to your marketing team. That's okay. My team is really here just for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value in these videos. If you did want any help getting this stuff done, though, because maybe your numbers aren't where you want them to be and you don't have the time to learn it yourself, give us a call. We'll see if we're a good fit, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees. My partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback on the video, so thank you for taking the time and letting us send it to you. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.